Your song. I'd love to.
Trixie.
This is one of my favorites.
Trixie.
Travel the banks of the river of Jordan, find where it flows to the sea. I looked in the eyes of the cold and the hungry, and I saw that I was not me.
Me. That's me. Oh my god. Me and Trixie again. Hello. Hello. Wait, hold on.
What?
Have
Girl.
you seen the movie Airplane?
Yes, and you were saying Trixie, and I'm looking at it going, yeah.
She would, if she would get on, she would be playing guitar for a little girl who's dying, and she would swing the guitar, and her IV would come out, and the little girl would die, but Trixie would go on playing.
She's like, I gotta finish this song.
Yeah, I gotta finish this.
Oh my God.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm in Portland.
You look. I was gonna say you look like you're in a hotel.
Yeah, I'm in
Mm.
Portland. Can you
What's
believe
going
I'm
on?
working in a pandemic?
Oof.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Did you drive or did you fly from Vegas?
I flew from Vegas, but private jet, honey. I don't do the group thing. I don't do the group thing. You look amazing. It's so good to see you.
She said,
Private jet.
No, wait. So what is a private jet like?
Girl, it's fun, you know.
No, I don't know. You gotta tell me. So do you get hot nuts?
Well, no, you actually get a full meal, but the flight was so short. It's really short coming from Vegas. It's like less than 2 hours. I just slept.
Okay.
I didn't even enjoy the whole drama of the jet thing, you know.
Do you know in Russia they have um they have fake jets where it's just a set where you go on to take an Instagram picture so it looks like you're flying a private jet. Yeah, you can go and so it looks you do the whole thing with the you have the champagne glass and
Uh-huh.
then like you go with your best like Gucci outfit or whatever and it's just all fake, but it really you just like you take
Girl,
the
please
picture
don't
and
tell
you
me
rent
that.
it. It's like $30 or something.
Girl, don't tell me that. You know I've been looking for stuff to come up with in Vegas for the pandemic. I'm totally
You
going to
gotta
start that business.
gotta do that. You call like you call it like whatever the the Coco Chanel lifestyle whatever, and it's you just all you do is like how they have some of those Instagram rooms where like it's all dots or like all pink bath or whatever it's like little
Uh-huh.
Instagrammable opportunities. That's what you should do. Like private jet. I don't know what else people do, but yeah,
That's what,
private.
well, right now I'm doing the whole pumpkin patch thing. You know, it's my time right now. It's, it's fall. The Coco pumpkin orange.
That's right. That's right.
I, I tried to get, what's her name? She was doing a makeup line. I was like, girl, why don't you just call me Orange Coco? Just
Hello.
She's happy with
Hello.
Coco.
Hello. Why haven't you come out with a circular compact that's just an orange blush?
Well, we did the compact. We did the Dorito compact
The
for a
Dorito
while,
one. That was great. Yeah.
but it kept selling out so fast they weren't able to produce it that
Oh,
much.
mu-
Right.
must be nice.
It's like, thanks.
Well, I tried, but it just kept selling out. So,
It was just so much, and it was on back order for people, and I don't like fans to wait for things so
yeah.
long.
No, for real. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
But oh my God, you look amazing.
Oh, thanks. I should have put my eyebrows on, but it's okay.
Really? Oh gosh, let me tell you. So Alexis is in like 2 rooms down, and I don't know who else is in here. Who else is here? But they're down there. It's like
What are they doing?
a private event, or it's like a private birthday thing.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So it's
Swanky.
oh yeah, swanky stuff. You gotta come to Vegas. When you what? You gotta come see live.
I would love to. And
And
I heard that
I always
Vegas. I heard
I
that
always have room for you. So I have my
you live in
whole
the
secret stuff.
palace. I
Girl, I
want to
got it
come
all
into the
set up for
palace.
you.
Yeah, I
Come to
want to
the
come into the
palace.
palace and I want to take the photos.
I love you.
All right, well, I'm gonna get back to my movie. It's so good to see you.
So good to see
I
you
love you
too.
both.
I'll see you
So
soon.
okay, tell the girls I said hi.
I will. Bye.
Bye.